Accelerate is a collaboration between Welsh universities and the Life Science Hub Wales. We are funded by the European Regional Development Fund and Welsh Government, and we help translate new technologies, services and products into health and care. The Accelerate programme is looking to work with businesses who have the potential to fulfil an unmet clinical need or health challenge in Wales.
Hi, my name is Dee Puckett and I'm Head of Health and Care Engagement here at Life Sciences Hub, working within the Accelerate team. So the Accelerate programme really brings together the ABC that's needed for innovation in healthcare. That's the academics, the business and the clinical expertise to really develop in partnership the solutions that are needed to drive improvements in health and wellbeing for citizens of Wales, but also the economic expansion.
At Accelerate, we're really focused on economic growth. So new jobs created, new products to market and the growth of businesses. And that's what we're hoping to achieve in feeding through new products, services and processes into the life science sector. At this point in time, we've built up the teams within each of our university partners and here at the Hub so that we're ready and waiting, raring to go to help businesses to take their new products, services to market.